Hello everyone. In the previous video, we covered basic subcontracting and resupply subcontracting. But today, we are going to discuss about dropship subcontracting, where components go directly from the vendor to the subcontractor, and the final product can be shipped directly to the customer without us having to store it in our inventory. So let's begin. First, let's head to the settings. We need to enable subcontracting and dropship for this to work. So let's see here. You can see that I have already enabled this and dropship here. Don't forget to click save after you enable both of them. Now for the product setup, let's go to products. I'm going to select the Starry Night Lawn table here. And there are a few important configurations in the product page that you need to keep in mind. So let's go to the purchase tab. I have set my subcontractor as the vendor here. And in the inventory tab, you have to enable dropship here. Okay. And after that, click save and go to bill of materials. Here I have already set a bill of materials for this product. In the components, first you need to make sure that it is the BOM type is subcontracting and that you keep a subcontractor here. And in the components, go to the purchase tab and set your vendor who will be supplying this particular product. And in the inventory, you have to set it as dropship subcontractor on order, because all of these components that is in the bill of materials will be directly drop shipped from the vendor to our subcontractor without it ever entering our inventory. Okay, so go back to the bill of materials and make sure that the configuration is similar to all of the components. Keep the vendor here, and in the inventory, set the route as dropship subcontractor on order. Okay, once you confirm it, go back. And that's all about the configurations. Now let's check it by creating a sales order. Now I'm going to create a sales order by clicking on new. Let's set a customer as Indigo Fern and the product as the Starry Night Lawn table. Let's click on confirm. You can see that a purchase order is automatically created here. So let's click on it. This is a purchase order from our subcontractor directly to the customer. Okay. Now let's click on confirm. As soon as I clicked confirm, you can see that a dropship button has appeared here. Let's click on it. And you can see here that this is a dropship from our subcontractor directly to the customer. Let's go to the purchase app. You can see that a new request for quotation has been created here. Let's click on it. This request for quotation is for the components in the bill of materials of the product. Okay, and it is going from our vendor directly to the subcontractor. So let's click on confirm. This is also a dropship that is from our vendor to the subcontractors. Let's click on validate. Now it is successfully received. Let's go back to our sales order. And in the dropship, you can see that the demand was for one quantity and it is now available. So let's click on validate. And this dropship order has been successfully done. As you can see here, one quantity was delivered successfully. So in conclusion, dropship subcontracting is a powerful approach when you want to streamline operations without handling inventory yourself. Since materials go directly from the vendor to the subcontractor and the final product can ship straight to the customer, it eliminates the need for storage, reduces handling cost, and speeds up the entire process. That's what makes it especially useful for businesses looking to be cost effective and efficient. That brings us to the end of our video. Thank you for watching.